Wind and Water Becoming Currents by Jack Taylor and Surfer Bro. Exactly what is a gyre? A gyre is when hot and cold water start chasing each other. This gyre usually picks up things like trash or plastic that is left behind in an ocean. To show a gyre, in this example above, warm water from the equator near Africa in Europe. Warm water is going right down from the equator on the side of Africa, as cold water is coming right from Antarctica and then heading left towards Europe and Africa. To explain or show a gyre more or further, here's a video. What is going on in the video is we set up a lab or a demonstration by clay molding continents and having water with red dots on a plate which represented the ocean, and the red dots are maybe trash or whatever else might get stuck in the ocean. Now the straws we are holding is to represent wind, which moves the water, and that is showing how a gyre is formed. One more time, the red circles are moving in a circle, which is just like a gyre, shown over here, how warm water is going right and left, or cold water is going left, following each other in a circle. There are many connections between global winds and ocean currents. First off, wind is going left near the equator and right near the poles. So if you look at it over here, wind is going this way on the map, and also this way and that way. The connection here is that wherever wind is going, it usually stays that way unless it may hit land. For an example, trade winds over here keep going left until they hit land. For example, the Brazil current or the Aguas current is going left and then it hits land and forms the other way. So, for example, the Brazil current might be starting to go this way, and then because of the wind, it goes that way, and then it hits land and goes the other way. These are also connected because without wind, would there entirely be currents? Because wind is what moves our water, and without wind, we would have no currents like the Brazil current or the Peru current. That is how they are all connected. This here is a map of the world, as you can see, showing currents. Currents are these lines, either blue or red. Red meaning warm water, blue meaning cold water. Now, what currents don't get blocked? All the currents that I see that don't get blocked are ones near the equator, this line dividing Earth. As you can see, this line, or this current right here, these 4 lines, 6 lines, 8 lines, keep staying in the same area. To me, it's not getting blocked. For example, these currents right here are not staying in a straight line. They are moving. They get blocked by this land, and this land. Same with these. These currents go down, are pulled into water, and are blocked.